Doha's skyline is adorned with architectural marvel including the Pearl Qatar, an artificial island featuring distinctive architecture and luxury developments. Museum of Islamic Art, situated on the Corniche. Its unique geometric design and stands out against the surrounding skyline. West Bay District, characterized by its cluster of skyscrapers, including the iconic Tornado Tower and the Cape Palm. Aspire Tower, located near the Sport City complex, its sleek design and height make it a notable feature on the Doha skyline. Qatar Cultural Village, while not directly on the coastline, its distinctive architecture can be seen from the air as the plane ascends. These landmarks offer a glimpse of Doha's modern architecture and development, providing travelers with a memorable view as they depart from the airport. I will try my level best to visit all these places after coming back from the United Kingdom and share my experience with all of you.
Peace and prosperity for all. Please help educate a child reach millions more. To donate, please find the dedicated envelope in the seat pocket in front of you, or speak to a member of the cabin crew.
Doha, the capital of Qatar, is a bustling metropolis with a diverse population of over 2 million people. The Qatari Rial is the official currency and the government follows a constitutional monarchy structure. While Arabic is the official language, English is widely spoken, reflecting the country's international outlook. Doha lies in the Arabian Standard Time (AST) zone and serves as a gateway to both the Middle East and the world.